total consumed value. Okay, so select this text, increase the format of the text. You can give the color also. Keep it here. Okay, so this is my title of the project. Okay, now I want YTD. Okay, what is YTD? YTD,
Year to
year
date.
to date. Okay, so year to date means the current year. In interview they'll ask you what is YTD, MTD, QTD. Current year. So what is our current year actually here?
22.
01/01 2022 to till date, right? What is the till date? 27
27. Yes, sir.
2022.
27, 10, 22.
Okay, this is my YTD, year to date. So year to date always looks for the current year, the starting of the year, and what is the max date for that year. For example, you are in December. Okay, if you are in December 20, it will take this date. Okay, correct?
Imran, take the current date, how it comes to, it's there till 2019 December.
You just understand this logic. So YTD means year to date. Okay, so always the year to date. In example I'm taking, for the current year the year to date is 1st of Jan 2022 till date. Okay, the till date here is for us 27 10 2022. Correct? YTD. As per your data, as per your data, what is the YTD I can consider here? The max year is a YTD, right? According to this, your data till 2019. Okay, till 2019 December 1st. So automatically Power BI will identify according to your max date that it will take for the current year. So in 2019 December you are in. So this is starting from, generally YTD will consider the max date here is for this 01 December 2019. It means the YTD is Jan 2019 first to this date, right? Correct? As per your data, in your data max date is this. Correct? Max year is this 01 December 2019, but it's starting from Jan 1st 2019, right? Correct? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
as per your data, okay. Now I'm creating one measure, new measure. New measure I'm giving, okay. So the new measure is YTD equals to total. You can see guys, total YTD is a function, time increment function, total YTD. Close. You can see here it's expecting expression date year end. Okay, so expression, what expression I can give? Sum of value, right? Sum of value is my expression. Close, comma. Okay, so I'll pass date here. Date I will pass. So the date here is this date, calendar date. Okay, close this one. You see the expression, guys. Total YTD is expecting expression. The expression is sum of value, comma, date. Automatically Power BI will identify what is the year to date because you are passing the function total YTD. Okay, click here. So I'll take a card. Before that, I'll take a table chart. So I'm taking from the calendar table date, from energy consumption table value I'm taking. Okay, value. So the value here is sum we are doing, right? So this value. Okay, now, okay, so the date and sum of the value. So I already created one measure. The measure is YTD. So YTD. Okay, drag and drop here. So I don't want it is in a million. I want to be full value. Go to the callout value, change in none. Now I can see, guys, it's according to this. Okay, according to this, 2019 Jan 1st to 2019 December data. This is YTD. Okay, now I can see here. So I already have years here. Okay, so according to me, 2019 sales is my YTD sale, correct? Year to date. Now you can see I'm filtering the data here. According to me, 2019 is YTD. Okay, that is a max. So if you see here, for 2019, all months are there. So the sum we can't present, the count we can present only here. Okay, so 2019, it's starting from, so if you keep it in ascending or descending, sort ascending. See, from Jan 2019 to first of December 2019. So the sum here is this. Okay, so let's check. So if I select, so by default Power BI capture year to date sales from Jan 2019 to December 2019. Okay, the data is like that. Okay, you can see December, go up, you can see. Okay, Jan 2019 to December 2019. So the YTD function capture according to your data set what is the max date. For that max date, what is the minimum date start for that current year. Okay, now I want to present here. So I can take one slicer. I'll take year. Okay, I'll take year. So there is a year. I want that year in a list. So I'll take one more slicer. I'll take a month. I'll take one more slicer. I'll take quarter. Okay, now see this whole data for all years. Okay, this whole data for all years. Okay, now what I will do, guys, for your understanding, don't summarize. Okay, now I'll export this data. I'll export this data to Excel. Export data. You can export the data also. Okay, export data. Okay, now I'm applying filters here. Okay, I'm applying filters now. So as I said, this is for according to your max date data YTD. Okay, so for us 2019 is max date, correct? 2019 is max date. I'm filtering my data. You can see it's starting from January to December. January to December. So it's not in order. So let's see. Okay. Now if you do sum of this 2019 sales I'm capturing, if you do sum of this, what is the value here? 52378082. What is the value here for YTD? 52378082. Is it matching for
So
2019 sales?
yes.
Okay, YTD means according to a data set. So don't think YTD means year to date. As per your data, what is the max date that will capture in the Power BI that YTD? Okay, is it clear, all of you? Any doubts in YTD?
Which means it will capture only, for example, 2016, all it will ignore. It will only capture 2019 data because it's a match.
Exactly. Let it 10 years data. For example, you have 2001 to 2010 sales. So
Hmm.
user wants to see, but for his data, YTD. YTD means 2010 it will consider, right?
Yeah.
Correct? But in real time scenario, if you check, for us YTD is this date. So this date is max date. For this date, starting date is what? January 1st, 2022. Correct? For this date.
Yes.
Correct? But my data is available 2019 data. So that YTD is considering that is a current date. Okay. Now same way, I want to compare MTD. Okay. MTD, month to date, guys. So create new column, new measure, MTD. I'm giving the name of my measure is MTD equals to, you can see total, MTD. So what is expecting expression? So the expression here is sum of value. Okay, sum of value close. So it's asking you for total MTD, should I do sum? Should I do count? Should I do min? Should I do max? Like that. Okay. So I want to do sum for total MTD. Okay, comma date function you have to pass because you are working on time until length, right? So you have to pass it date function. The date function should be from calendar date. Okay. So total MTD is the function. The syntax here is expression and date. Close this one. Now take a card. For this card, take MTD. So the value I don't want in a million. So go to the format, call out, select. Now you can see for MTD. MTD means month to date. Okay. MTD means month to date. So go to the Excel sheet. Okay. In this Excel, what is the max month for this year? December, right? December is the max month, right? Okay. So it will give for December, for the December 1st to December max date. Okay. So if you do the sum of this, so what is the value here? 4198595. What is the value here?
Same.
I'm applying any filters here?
No.
No. Even though Power BI is capturing all year sales is, I mean the current year sales is this, current month sales is this according to that. Okay.
Can you go back to the Excel and check on the year once? Is there any
Yeah,
change in the year?
2019.
Can you please click on the filters?
Okay.
Okay, it's only 2019. Okay, that's okay.
2019 only I'm selecting here. For
Hmm.
2019, my sales is this for December month. Okay. So always guys, MTD means month to date. The month to date is in the current year. What is your max month? Okay. So in my month, December is my max month. So it will fetch the data December 1st, 2019 to December 31st of 31st to 2019. This data it will capture. Okay. Is it clear?
Yep.
Okay. Now QTD. QTD means quarter to date. Okay. Quarter to date. So here for the current quarter, we are in last month, right? So October, November, December is my quarter, correct? So this data I can consider as a QTD, current QTD, correct?
Yep.
This 3 months sales is my current QTD. Now create a measure. So I got YTD, MTD. Now I'm going to create the QTD. New measure. I'm giving QTD equals to total QTD function is there. You can see total QTD. Same expression, sum of value close. Date function I have to pass, right? Date column.
Date.
So
Yes.
calendar. Close this one. So I'm taking a card. So in this card I'll take QTD. So QTD is as per our data, it should be 3 months data, right? It should be 3 months data. Now go to your Excel. So 2019 already selected. Okay. Now months I will select December, October, November. Okay, this 3 months data only, right? For that QTD, correct? October for current quarter is starting from October, November, December. 3 months is October, November, December. Yeah. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, per year, how many quarters? 4 quarters. Okay. Jan, Feb, March is 1 quarter. April, May, June is 1 quarter. July, August, September is 1 quarter. October, November, December is 1 quarter. So per year, 4 quarters. Okay, QTD means according to your data set. Okay, it will always expect the max quarter for that year. Okay. Now 3 months I have selected here. The 3 months is December, October, November. Okay, so October, November, December data Power BI has to capture. Okay, just apply here the filter. So what is the sum here? 126,74041. Go to the Power BI. What is here? 126,74041. Is it matching, guys? According to my data.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, bro.
So this is called YTD, MTD, QTD. Any
Super
doubts here?
Nothing clear cut.
No, bro, it's clear.
Okay, now I am removing this. In interview also they'll ask you.
They already asked me.
Yeah. Now the same way I want to take last year YTD, last year MTD, QTD. Okay, so let's see. Now YTD is a current year. So what is a YTD? Last YTD I can consider as per my data. As per my data, 2019 is YTD. As per my data, MTD is 2019. As per my data, QTD is for this year. Okay. Now last year means 2018 data it will fetch, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll go to the new measure. Last YTD equals to, I can write the condition here. So for this there is some changes. Okay. So we will use here calculate function. Okay. Calculate function. So expression I am giving sum of value, right? We are expecting here value close. You can see comma previous year. So you can see here previous year. Okay. Click on this. What is expecting? Date previous year. Okay. So I have to give here date, the calendar date. Okay. Close, close. Okay. So you can see calculate of sum of previous year. Okay. So the previous year I am looking last year YTD. Okay. Last year YTD. So this calculate function is nothing but it will evaluate the value on your expression. So what it will do, this calculate, it will calculate sum of value for previous year on this calendar. Okay. Just click on this. So take a card, keep it here, last YTD. So this is coming as a blank. So there's a changes in our expression. So let's see that. Previous year I said. So there is a small change. Dates YTD. This one dates YTD of previous year of calendar date. Okay. So I am using dates YTD. So let's see. It's also not coming. Calculate. Okay. If total YTD, let's check it. Expression is sum of value close bracket comma previous year open bracket. So I will give date calendar close. So let's try this. It's also not coming. Dates YTD. here total YTD function I'm using. Okay, total YTD function. There are different types case. You can create YTD by using calculate function. Total YTD function also you can use. Okay, so total YTD function I'm using time intelligence function. So here if you see the same way till here we given. Okay, so I'm giving here total YTD of sum of value comma previous year. Okay, so I'm looking previous year, right? So that I'm passing here previous year dates YTD. Okay, dates YTD of calendar date I'm passing here. Okay, now if you check this value, this is current year 2019 sales it is, this is 2018 sales. So let's check out whether this value is matching or not. Go to the Excel data. So previous year is for us 2018, right? Correct, 2018 is previous year. Click on OK. For that year you have to select the all months data. Now if you do sum here, so what is the value here? 53657165. What is the value here? 53657165. So automatically Power BI intelligence capturing last year's sales, right? Correct, all of you? So if you see this formula, if you see this YTD formula, so what we written? Total YTD of the expression is sum of value calendar date I am giving for YTD. If you go to the last YTD, the formula it's changing from here, right? From here the formula is changing. Till here the same. For total YTD measure is the sum of sales, comma previous year sales I'm looking for dates YTD, okay, of this calendar. So that sales YTD is this, okay, for last year. Is it clear, all of you? For this also you can give, guys, for this also you can give here like this. Okay, total YTD I'm using, right? You can give dates YTD of that date column, you can pass. See, the value won't be changed. See, so hope you understand now. So for total YTD for the current year, total YTD of sum of sales dates YTD function I'm using, okay, within the total YTD of calendar. So if you go to this expression, for this expression extra I'm adding previous year. The rest of things is the same, right? Rest of thing is same. So you can see I'll take this expression for YTD. The formula is this. So you just see here for YTD, total YTD, sum of energy consumption value. It means sum of value of dates YTD for the current year. Okay, for last year, extra I'm adding previous year. Rest of things same, right? Rest of things is same. It's only I'm adding because I'm looking last year sales. Okay, last year sales I'm looking. So previous year function I'm adding extra. The rest of things, everything is same. You getting my point?
Yeah.
Because Power BI has to consider what user is looking. So until unless you are not passing previous year, okay, previous year if you are not passing, it won't identify. Previous year means against our data 2018 is previous year, correct? Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts? Any doubts here? Yes or no?
Yes, bro. Fine. Yeah, bro.
It's a
Yes, clear.
completely clear, bro. It's a clear cut, bro.
Okay. Now, the same way. Okay. I want to know MTD. Okay. So I'll create one new measure. It's very, very important. You have to practice, guys, else you will forget. Last MTD equals to, I have to give total MTD, right? Total
Yeah.
MTD of
Some of energy consumption
sum of
values
value
and date.
those. Yeah. So previous month, right?
Yes.
Previous month of,
Calendar date.
yeah, no. Dates, MTD you have to give. Dates,
MTD, month.
yeah,
Calendar.
MTD of calendar date. Date. Close. Close this one. So take a card. So last MTD, right? This one. So 4 millions. So I don't want in millions, I want in full value. Click on.
None.
So last MTD. Last MTD means, so just November data it is. Correct? November data. For this MTD, this is a December data. MTD, this is November data. Okay, current year month sales, last month sales. Okay, current year month sales, last month sales. Okay, so go to the sales data. So 2019 last month sales, right? It is.
Bro.
So select here. What is the last month for this 2019? November.
November.
So what is the sum here? 4229318. What is the value here?
Yeah.
Getting my point?
49318. Same.
So current year sales, last year sales. Current month sales, last month sales. Current quarter sales, last quarter sales. So last quarter we'll see. Okay. New measure. Last QTD equals to total QTD of sum of value those previous QTD, right? Previous quarter. Okay. Previous quarter. Open bracket. Here dates QTD. I'm giving date calendar. Close. So we are closing for this dates YTD. You are closing previous quarter. You are closing main expression. Okay. Click here. Now take a card. So LQT. Take here. Go to the format. Make it done. Now last QTD means this current QTD is October, November, December, right? Last QTD is October. Current quarter is October, November, December. For 2019 last QTD. Last QTD means what?
July, August.
July, August, September.
Yeah, July,
August.
August, September. Okay, these three quarters I will have to get. Okay. So what is the value here? 130,62184. What is the value here? 130,62184. Is it clear? All of you?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want, I'll give the expressions. Practice this one. Okay.
Yeah, please give the expressions. Imran, it will be helpful.
I'm putting in a. Shall I keep it in chat box? You can download all of you. Okay. Very important, guys. In interview, the last year syntax. If you understand the concept, it's easy. I can attach here, right? Can you copy paste it from your side? If I copy here,
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
that can be possible.
No, try, Imran. Yeah, copy paste is possible.
okay, just copy and paste it in your systems.
Yeah, obviously it's happening.
Okay, kindly practice the same. Okay.
Yeah, Imran. Thanks, Imran.
Yeah. Any doubts, guys here? So now user will understand easily, right? So what is your current sales? What is last year's sales? What is current month? What is last month? What is current quarter? Last quarter. Okay. So this is how the time intelligence works. Very important. Until unless you are not practicing, no one can do anything. Any doubts?
No doubts from my side.
All of you, is it clear?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So we'll catch up in tomorrow's session. So mostly tomorrow I'll end the tax. Okay. So with the, all functionalities. So we'll build application on top of this. Okay. I'm saving this. So fine. We'll wind up the session then. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day, Imran. Everybody.
Thank you.